Now, this principle of fairness should extend to the issue of immigration as well. Americans expect, as a nation of laws, that we'll enforce them, starting at the border. I think it's only fair. They expect that no one who broke our laws will get special treatment. People expect that there should be fairness for children who came to this country illegally, but through no fault of their own. And they see no fairness in giving out most green cards based on the basis of luck instead of considering people's education and their skills. So I've said before, and I'll say it again, we need immigration reform. It's good for our country, and frankly, it's the right thing to do. And that's why the committees of the House will continue to do their work. I'm grateful for all of our members who've worked on this issue on both sides of the aisle, not just members of the relevant committees, but both Republicans and Democrats who've worked in a bipartisan fashion, including Congressman Sam Johnson and Judge Carter and Mario Diaz-Balart, all of whom have shown real leadership on this issue.